Jujitsu, and we're going to go over today the first two throwing techniques of the Nage list that you're going to learn in American Street Jiu-Jitsu. Alright, so first off, we're going to get into the grab positions. First off, when we go to the grab product, I'm going to grab his lapel, and he's going to grab my lapel here. Same hand, so it goes opposite side. I'm going to grab his elbow, and he's going to grab my elbow. This is our standard kata grab. Okay, so these are just kata positions to grab. We're not going to go over kata footwork right now. Kata, grab, and throw. Okay, so from here, we're going to turn around this direction so you can see it. And then turn around this direction so you can see it. And then kind of give you an angle. Our first one we're going to do is called Osoto Gari. What I want to do is I want to create Zushi right off the bat, and that's even with every throw you do. With the Kazushi that I want to do with Osoto Gari is I want to take this elbow and I want to drive it into his pocket, and I want to take this arm right here, and this could be his t-shirt. If he didn't have on anything, I could use his head to drive it back. And I want to grab, and I want to bring this arm back like this. And then I want to step with it so I can get deeper. If I let go, it basically falls. So let's do it again. I'll let go, it'll fall. Again, from this angle. Now we're going to look at this like an arrow stance. So I got the arrow stance right here in my position here. This is where you're going to land at the end. But you're going to draw a good sweep kick with this, and your leg is going to come in position like this. And one thing I want to do is make sure that I'm not too far over. So we're going to do the throw. See how I keep my body close to him, and then I can drive in for something? Other direction. We're going to look at it this direction. He's going to have his hands and hand back to you. See how close my hip is to his hip? I'm not out here trying to kick his leg out. Out here, it becomes an arm strength game where I'm pulling. So we're going to try to do that. Ready to go? Alright, here we go. I'm going to do it now. I'm going to get close. You had no choice but to go down. That one is called Osoto Gari. Our next throw you're going to learn on the Nage list is Ogoshi. Okay, so we got that same standard position. We're not going to go over it. So I'm holding on to it. He is elbow there. I'm going to pull him down. In wrestling, they pull their opponent down so their opponent will do what? Stand back up. When he stands back up, I'm going to pick up, which draws him on more of his toes. See this? He's on his toes. That's what I want. It picks him up in the air. That way I can step in and pick him up with my legs. So I'm going to go in, down, shoot, step in. This arm's going to shoot behind it, so we're going to pull this direction so you can see it. Pull down, up, shoot. My legs are going to go in between his legs. Alright, you're just like this. I'm going to bend, squat, pick up. One hand in the air, on my butt. So when I throw him, I'm not trying to use my arms to throw. So here we go. One full motion. And single. This is why we're doing side call first. And this could be and we're going to go over the two-step and the key position. The two-step comes from the Jujitsu section. And we're going to get over just the footwork really quick. So as I'm going to be stepping forward from this advanced forward, and then I'm going to take my back leg and I'm going to pivot, and we're going offline. So if you think about, here's a line in the middle. I'm going to be off this line, so I'm going to pivot, step, offline. Here I am, my opponent's facing this way. So we'll get Shannon in front of me right here. And what we're going to do is just have him stick his arm out for a line, okay? Here is his line. I'm going to step forward with my right leg. I'm going to go to this side, and then I'm going to come back. There's the two-step. So I'm here, and I'm just basically adjacent with him. Then here, I'm going to step in, back. From this position, I can get into throwing and step in and take a throw with him. If he has a knife, I can do something like a wrist lock. Again, this is pretty simple. I'm coming in, he's just gonna like punch at me this time. Let's go with a punch. He comes in, I'm two-step out of the way. See how I'm out of the way? Again. I'm out of the way, and now I can take his back and do some kind of takedown, and I can get into something more like a T position, which we're going to go into now. Alright, so we're going to look at the T position as we're going to go with this right arm is going to be up, like it's going to punch. Okay, so he's in a standard boxing stance, in your standard boxing stance. Put the other switch your feet, looks like I made that side. So he has his right leg forward, he goes for a jab, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the inside line, and I'm going to bring up and protect my head right here like this. And then my next thing is I'm going to shoot in. So here we go. As I shoot in, I put my head in, and I'm going to grab this arm and bring it down. Boom. As I bring it down, I'm in. In. Remember to get that head in close. Can you headbutt me? Can you punch me? Maybe a little bit, right? Is that really going to do much damage? Alright, so from here I can just pull on him, and I can take him in multiple positions as a takedown. I can step my foot behind his foot here, and we can do a sit down. And now I'm taking him down on the ground. Now I've got him out. That's your two-step and your T position.